I often come and talk to you a lot about investing and economics and what you should be thinking about. But one thing I don't talk a lot about is mistakes. And not a lot of people talk about mistakes, but they really should, because everybody makes mistakes, including myself. I started my career in this sort of tech bubble time frame, 99, 2000. It was an exciting time to be an investor. I learned a lot about the things that I was doing wrong and the things that helped me kind of set myself into a better investor. So first, of course, the idea of trading myself to beat the markets. That was a big mistake I tried to early on, and of course realized that didn't work too well. Two is the idea of taking hot tips from a friend or somebody else that gave me an idea, and then that didn't work out that well either. And then of course the idea of kind of feeling anxious when I'm missing out on an opportunity and buying at the wrong time, buying at the high of a stock because I felt like I was missing out as it kept running up and up and up, and then of course to fall. And then finally, the idea of regret. And this is a big issue, is the idea of when you sell something that you miss the opportunity to, and you feel regret that you didn't participate in as it continued to go forward. I've learned a lot about myself from these mistakes. I've learned how to be a better investor. So first, I've learned that when I invest and I make a mistake, that I have to make sure not to make that mistake again. Very important not to repeat our errors. Two is when I invest, I'm going to invest by a set of disciplines and a set of rules that are going to guide my investment policy. So first, I want to make sure that when I invest, I'm going to be diversified. I don't want to be swaying with the markets. I don't want to be tilting into one area or another area. I want to be very well diversified. Two is when I buy a security, I want to understand that security. I'm going to buy it because I believe in it. It's my style. So whether I'm a value investor or a growth investor, I'm going to buy it because it fits my style, and I'm not going to sway from one style to the other style. And then finally, I'm going to make sure that when I invest, that I'm going to avoid a lot of the noise that is constantly being thrown at me. And I'm going to stick to my disciplines. I'm not going to let that noise sway me or make me emotional. These are really important rules that I live by and when I invest, and these are rules that hopefully can help you learn and be a better investor over time as well.